Many of us have been told that pasta is a diet disaster, a carb-loaded enemy that sabotages our health goals. But what if I told you that pasta can actually be a healthy, guilt-free part of your diet? Yes, you heard that right. In this video, we'll dive into the science to debunk the myth and show you 3 simple, delicious ways to enjoy pasta without the worry. So why the bad rap? Traditionally, pasta is seen as a simple carbohydrate, quickly digested and causing blood sugar spikes, leading to energy crashes and weight gain. However, most pasta, especially whole wheat varieties, is a complex carbohydrate. This means it's packed with starch, which the body breaks down slowly, providing sustained energy. Think of it like this. Simple carbs are a quick sprint for your body, while complex carbs are a marathon. They keep you feeling full longer and provide a steady fuel supply. Plus, pasta contains fiber, which is crucial for digestive health and helps regulate blood sugar. So, how do we harness these benefits to make pasta truly healthy? Our first tip is all about portion control and balance. A healthy serving size of dry pasta is typically around 2 ounces, which expands significantly when cooked. But don't just stop there. Pair your pasta with plenty of lean protein like chicken or beans and a generous amount of colorful vegetables. This combination creates a complete meal that keeps you satisfied, providing essential nutrients without overdoing the carbs. It's about adding, not just subtracting. Next, cook your pasta al dente. This Italian term means to the tooth, referring to pasta that's firm to the bite, not mushy. Cooking pasta al dente actually lowers its glycemic index. This means your body digests it more slowly, preventing those sharp blood sugar spikes we talked about earlier. It's a simple trick that makes a big difference in how your body processes the carbohydrates, keeping your energy levels steady throughout the day. Finally, supercharge your pasta with fiber-rich sauces. Forget heavy cream sauces. Think vibrant, vegetable-packed options. Load up your sauce with ingredients like spinach, mushrooms, bell peppers, and tomatoes. Aim for at least 5-7 grams of fiber per meal. These additions not only boost the nutritional value, but also add incredible flavor and texture, turning a simple dish into a nutrient powerhouse. So pasta isn't the enemy. When prepared thoughtfully, it can be a delicious, healthy, and satisfying part of your balanced diet. Remember, small, smart changes in how you prepare your favorite foods can lead to significant improvements in your overall health and well-being. If you found these tips helpful, make sure to like this video, subscribe to Greenplate for more science-backed nutrition advice, and let us know your favorite healthy pasta recipe in the comments below.